name is Chimileski.
I'm from Connecticut in the USA, and I study microbial communities as a postdoctoral fellow at Harvard Medical School. So all across the world, there's bacteria and other microbes that are forming structures that are visible to the naked eye. I'm interested in how microbes form those communities, why they form communities, and I'm developing new ways to capture those communities. No matter where you go, no matter which direction you're looking in nature, there's a microbial community made out of dozens or hundreds of different species. I was motivated to become a biologist by going out into nature as a child. So just like there are forests that contain animals, there are also invisible forests of microbes. And so I sort of translated my love of nature and forests into these invisible forests of the microbial world. The club that I'm teaching this year is called Meet the Microbes That Make Our Most Delicious Foods, and I'm co-teaching that with Angélica. So cheese and chocolate, some of our most delicious foods are made by microbes or they're actually made of microbes. We're going to focus on how they contribute to the flavor and the qualities of those foods. So now, what a distance we've come from Boston, from the Coulter Laboratory at Harvard Medical School. I'm all the way now on the west coast in the Pacific Ocean in the beautiful rainforest of British Columbia. And I'm here on a field trip, and I want to make the point. I want to explain what I meant about how is it that microbial foods like cheese help us to understand these beautiful natural ecosystems. What I meant is that on the cheese there may be some few dozen species of microbes. It's easy to take a piece of cheese into the laboratory and begin to study it and look at the species there and see how they're interacting within that ecosystem. Here in the rainforest, if I reach down and pick up just one little pinch of this moss, I can guarantee you that on these tiny moss leaves there are hundreds of microscopic animals of many different varieties. If I reach down into this beautiful earth, this beautiful dirt in the rainforest, if I was to take a sample of this soil, just about a gram, and bring this into the laboratory, if we conducted a DNA sequencing analysis on this gram of soil, there may be tens of thousands of species of microbes in this single gram of soil. It's so complex, there's such a diversity of microbes that we're really just beginning to understand and find ways to study these complex ecosystems. So that is really how these relatively more simple examples like cheese and chocolate and other types of microbial foods can help us to understand the diversity and the remarkable beauty of this microbial world that is all around us. If you like chocolate and you like cheese and all these delicious foods and you want to understand how they're made by the microbes, then you should take this course. I'm really excited to travel from Boston down to Mexico to Guanajuato and looking forward to meeting everybody and teaching this course.